Hi guys, I've already shown this flying pig in one of my charity shop videos, but I thought I'd just do a separate standalone video for my ceiling tether playlist. So this cost me £1 in a charity shop. Still got the ceiling tether unit there, or connection with the string. It needs a couple of AA batteries. And it works fine. So I'll show you the bit of video I took of it flying around the ceiling. Okay. Flying pig. That's quite a gentle one, that. Probably a bit heavier than some of the ones that I've had before. So it's not going up quite so high. And I usually prefer to go one way rather than the other. It didn't seem to want to go the opposite direction. I'll just give it another try the other way. That's going. There we go. I'll have to add that to my playlist of ceiling tethers. I've got quite a few different things there. That'll do. Camera on board. That's going to be pretty shaky. We'll just have a quick peek inside. That's nice and tight. Okay, so we've got battery box, on-off switch, and then we've got the gearing mechanism. If we can get that out far enough to be able to see it. got to take the arms off to get him out so we can watch it. Arms, wings. Wings out the way, so that should now drop inside if we're lucky. It doesn't want to. Those bits come off one way or the other. No, doesn't want to come out. Don't want to break it. It does look like I've got to undo those screws to separate it apart. I don't really want to do that. Let's see if we can see enough without taking it right apart. So we've got electric motor, it's got a gear on its shaft, which we can just about see through the middle there. If we look on the other side, the gear that's on the shaft drives this gear. So small gear on the shaft to this bigger gear. This bigger gear has got a small gear as part of it. It's a 2-gear piece of plastic. The smaller gear on the back of it is the one that drives this bigger gear. And this bigger gear is the one that's got a arm on it, an offset arm, that drives the 2 push rods that move the wing. So if I turn that gear by hand, oh, focus going. Right, so turn that gear by hand and we can see the other one turning round and moving the 2 push rods that operate the wings. But that's as far down as I'm going to go. Oh, focus keeps going. It just seems a bit too awkward to get to those screws. I just can't understand why I can't. Focus is playing up today. I can't understand why I just can't get it out. But it doesn't matter what I do, it's just not going to pop down through that hole. I'm sorry about that, focus. I've been fiddling around with it, trying to fix it. Worst case scenario, I'll have to go and read the instructions, the handbook. It just seems to be playing up at the moment for some reason. Right, battery's in. Switch it on. That's it. back together again. That'll do. So it works, and we've had a look inside. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.